Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today my topic is to tell you that how to draw a this type of line diagram. This is the line diagram of any kind of plan which has been the east facing, right, and it is the plot size is 60 feet into 45 feet, right. So this is my AutoCAD plan, right. If you also want to learn this type of plan, how to draw this type of building plan, so please watch this tutorial completely, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel. So let's start this tutorial. So first of all, what I need to do, and you can see I am using AutoCAD only. You can see I am using AutoCAD 2020. So you may have thinking that my background color is white, right? Yeah, it is of course it is white because I have changed it. So if you also want to change your background color of in your AutoCAD, you can go and watch my previous videos which I have already attached in your description box. You can get it from there. Now start. So what I need to do, first of all, I need to go for the clean screen. You can see my cursor here, it is written clean screen off. Just go and click it here. Now you can see your plan is completely visualized, means it is completely visible. So it is the east facing. So now you can see. Now I'm going to tell you how to draw this type of building plan, right? So for that what you need to do, you need to set your units. So in this tutorial I'm not going to tell you how to set your units. So if you also want to learn AutoCAD, go and watch from playlist and watch all the videos. You may definitely get more knowledgeable videos and tutorials I have attached. So just go through this. So now the tutorial begins. So I have off my ribbon bar. So what I need to do, I have already told you the plot size. The plot size is 60 feet into 45 feet. So go for REC rectangle command from your keyboard. Just type and click it anywhere of this. You can see this. Now go for 45 feet comma 60 feet. Now go and enter it. So you can see I got this rectangle of 45 feet into 60 feet, right? So what I need to do, just go for offset command. So before going to offset, just go for escape and just select it. You can see it is rectangle, right? So I need to go for the explode. So go for X command from your keyboard and enter it. Now you can see it is exploded. So you all have known about explode. What is the explode command? What I need to do this after this means go for the offset command of 10 feet, enter it from here to upwards. Now what I need to do after that, just escape it, again go for offset command of this. Now I need to do 12 feet from both the right and left side. From left 12 feet, from right 12 feet. Now go for escape command. Now go for trim. I have trimmed, tr double enter. Just go and trim it from the both sides because I need to do this. See, I have did it, right? Go for the offset command, click it. Now again go for this 14 feet, click it. After that what I need to do, 40 feet. Now I need to go for here, like one room I need to keep it, right? So for one room I will going to keep that 12 feet. So go and enter it. After that again go for offset command of 12 feet. So actually here to here I want to keep some toilet, so toilet and bathroom. So what I need to do, I'm going to take 7 feet for washrooms. Now again I need to keep one bedroom of 12 feet, right? Now after that what I need to do, go for staircase. So I'm going to keep my staircase in the south directions. Okay, so I have already told you this is my east facing plot. Okay, so now go for 7 feet here, it comes up to here, right? Now what I need to do, so I have kept it here 7 feet, right? So don't go for stair here because I need to keep my stair here, right? So what I need to do, I'm just go for offset command of 7 feet. So here to here, right? Now I need to go for extend command, double enter, just extend it. Now go for offset command of 3 feet. This is 3 feet will be my landing, right? Now just go and click it here. Now go for trim command, double enter, just go and trim it. So you may thinking that this should not be there, right? Now escape it. So after that, what I need to do, just go for offset command of 10 inches, right? So this is my dogless type of stair, so I need to keep it total 4, means total 20 risers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this will be 10, right? So you can see this. So this would be, if trimmed, then it is very easy for you. So you can see I have got it, right? So now go for line command, and in the middle just go and click it, this middle to that middle, right? So my one step tread width is 3 feet. So I have taken this whole landing width is 7 feet. So I need to go for 6 inch from this both here to here. Now go for delete this, now go for trim it. So up to here I have trimmed. Now go for line command, so take it the center of it here. Now just go to, always keep your steer in anti-clockwise directions, don't go for clockwise. So after this just go and click it here. Now again go for the middle from here and just go and attach it. So you can see some extra lines are there, just go and trim it. tr double enter. See, I have did it, right? Now go for line command, so take it up to here. Now go for mirror command, mi for mirror. Now select this corner and click it anywhere of it. Now go for the no. Now just go for trim command, just trim it. After that just trim it this also, delete this. Now you can see this is my anti-clockwise direction, so this should not be there, right? So after deleting this, so my previous plan and this may have some different, but don't go, just see the logic. Okay, after that I have told you this is my east facing plan, so go for the offset command of 10 feet, because I need to keep it here kitchen room. So up to here I will keep 12 feet. After that trim it, so this and this. Now just go for the selection of it, delete this. So this will be my kitchen, right? And this would be my, this would be my dining rooms. So after that what I need to do, here I need to keep some space. I have drawn this line, and here I'm going to extend this up to here. Again I'm going to draw a line up to here, and I'm going to leave some space like 3 feet from both, so that I can provide here a beautiful windows for it. So again go for the trim, and your plan looks quite beautiful too. Just go and delete it. Now from the same sides go and trim it. If it is not trimmed, and then select it, just delete it. Now you can see. After that what I need to do, your plan would looks very beautiful. So after that I'm going to trim it. I want to make one bathroom or washroom here also. So what I need to do, I'm going to take it as a 6 feet from top, and from bottom I'm going to take it as a 8 feet. I'm sorry, I'm going to take it 8 feet this one, and this would be my 6 feet. After that go for trim command, just trim it. So after that what I need to do, I'm going to make it as a washing room, means washing machines I will keep it here, and some of the clothes. Okay, now what I need to do, just go for offset command of, before going to offset just measure this ti for dimensions. Now click it one corner to on other corner. Now it is 14 feet. Go for offset, and this is my line diagram, just mind it, because I do not have any attached here any kind of exterior walls, because walls I do not consider it here. So just go for this and select it. Now delete it. So this will be my toilet means washroom for this room, and this is for this room. This is my washing area and this is my WC. WC means water closes. So here I need to keep the same thing, like here offset of same 12 feet here up to here. This will be my bedroom, right? So what I need to do it here, I will go and I will just extend it. So here it has been attached, right? So I'm going to trim it here up to here, so you can see it here. After that, what I need to do, you can see it, this is my extra part, right? Because I need only 20, so I have deleted it. This is my staircase which is in south directions, and this is my some lobbies, and I need to make it here some, you know, some hall type. This will be my living area, and what I need to think means, what I'm thinking it here, I am going to make a one bedroom here also. So before going to make it bedroom, I need to keep it some space for dining room. I'm just going to check with 12 feet, right? Now just go for 10 feet, not of 12 feet, and from here to here 12 feet, right? So just go for extend command, just do it here. Now go for trim command, just trim it up to here. This one trimmed, right? This space is for dining rooms. I will attach the every text. You need not to have any worry about it. So after that, what I need to tell you that here I am going to, this will be my porch, right? This will be my some spaces. So after that, go for tool palette, TP. Shortcut keys for tool palette is go and click it here, go for the architecture. So after that, go for the trees metric, click it. Now click it anywhere of it. Now I need to go for the toilet imperial. So just go, and I have taken both of these, right? After that, I need to scale it some extent. So I'm going to scale it up to, yeah, this will be better for me. So this is quite smaller. Let's go for right click. If you do the right click, then this option will be appear. See, this will be perfect for me, right? So go for offset command. So my ortho is on right now, I need to off it. If you need any kind of tutorial, just go and watch my previous videos from my playlist. You may definitely get the knowledgeable ideas. So this will be my Windows site. So I am going to keep it here some trees, that will be better for my house plants, and that will be looks quite attractive, right? So that depends how much time you are spending on it, right? Skip it. After that, what I need to tell you, I need to provide it here some porch area, portico. So before going to attach some portico, I need to give some str also, right? So go for the line command, take it middle. Now what you need to, your ortho is off, right? So on it, skip it. After that, go for offset command of 2 feet. So I'm going to provide the width of 4 feet of this stair. So go for 6 inches, 1 2 3. Yeah, 3 would be better for me. So go for trim command, just trim it all the unwanted lines and extra lines. So after that, this middle also not needed. Just go and select it, just trim it, right? So if you trim this also, that will be better for your building, right? It will looks quite good. After that, I need to provide some porch. So offset of, so if you go offset, that will be also good. If you extend this line, that will be also good. So this line won't be extend. So just go for the line command and just select it. Now just attach it up to here. See, this will be my porch or veranda, you can say. So after that, what I need to tell you that this should be deleted. So I have attached my trees, right? Now I need to go for this. This is my plan, right? So go and attach, click it here. Now what you need to do, you need to just select it, click it here. Your ortho should off. I need to click and place it. So pan would be not like this, right? So I will mirror it. Go for the copy command. So go for the copy command, how it would be. just click it up to here, just cross it. Now go for this arrow, click it, go for the pan, this will be for. So now just go and click it here. In the same way, go for the escape, go for the selection of it, go for the copy command, just go and click it here. Now do the same thing here also, skip it, go for the mirror command, mi, just go for the offset on, just you do the mirror, just go for the no, so delete these both, go for m for move, go for selection of it, go for copy command, just do it. See, I have attached this. Now I need to, what I need to add it, I need to add my text. So go for here, clean screen should be off. See, my ribbon bar has been appeared, reappeared, it is reappeared. Now I need to go for the text, sorry, it is dimension, go for the text command. I have clicked it on the text. Now what I need to do, I am going to write it here, living room. So you know how to use the text command. If you do not know, go and watch my previous videos, you may get and understand. Living, living, living area, you can say. See, it is not appear. If you zoom it, now go for this, now back right click, now go for the scale, zoom out. Now how long you want, you can get it. See, so the selection should be good, right? So see, once you escape it, now go for select it, escape it, go for scale, go to the quick properties. Also you can get it, text height should be like 10 inches, it will be large. See, it is looks quite good, right? Now go for selection of it. So here ortho should off. If you want to, this is your master bedroom like this, skip it. Now go for clicker twice. Now it is very easier for you, just go and minimum backspace it, go for master, master bedroom. Now you can see, now this should be copy and paste. So the same thing would be here, and if you think that text would be quite large, now select it. Now back right click, go for the quick properties, this 10 inch should be 8 inch. See the things. Now delete this, now go for the same thing, copy. So I hope you have understand the logic how to do this. So you can see I have added my text, right? So what I need to do after that, I need to provide some, go for offset of 2 feet. So I need to, here I need to provide some cooking tops. So go for this, go for trim command, just trim it both. Now after this, this should not be there, delete this. So you can see I need to go for the hatch command, just go and click it to the hatch. Once you have clicked it on the hatch, now it will be appear like this, just go click and ANS 131 means ANSI 31, right? So after that, go and click it here, this should be 15, enter it. So here your gas cooktops will be there east facing, so here you need to keep your gas stoves. So after that, skip it. Now what you need to do, here my almost the work has been done. So here what you need to do, you need to have some, right, some doors opening. So if you do this, that will be also better for you. Just go for ortho on, I have did it here, go for offset of 2 feet because your main door, so it will be of the same thing of 4 feet, so that will be also good. So just go and delete this. Here you need to write your D for door, go for offset command of 1 feet from here to here, and then after go for 3 feet. So go for trim command, delete it. See, this is my openings and this will be my dinings. So I am going to place it my dining tables here. So you can see I have attached my dining tables also here. After that, what I need to do, so you can see like this way you need to do. Now you need to, where you want to keep your door, you can keep. So this is only the line diagram, this is not the exact plan. So this is so that I am doing like this 3 feet. So in the same way here also I need to provide some 6 inch and keep the door size of washrooms should be 2.5 feet. So this will be definitely helpful for you. And this is my lobby, right? After that here I need to provide my door of 1 and 3 feet. In the same way I need to keep it here 1 feet and then 3 feet of door for the bedrooms. Now go for trim command, just trim it here, the same way trim it here. Now trim it here also, in the same way here also, skip it. Now select this both, select this both. After that this would be selected, this also would be selected. Don't think too much because this is my line diagram, and line diagram is also most important for your any kind of building purpose. Now go for the delete one. So here also go for offset of 1 feet here, and then after go for the 3 feet. So after that what you need to do, here also you need to go for 6 inches and then 2.5 feet. In the same way here also 6 inch and then 2.5 feet. So trim it here, here, and now select these both because now it is not useful. These extra lines should be deleted. Now you can see here I have left with it. So just go and do this. See it here, now it looks right good. After that I need to select this, go for copy command, just click it anywhere of this. Now go for click it twice. I need to go with this capital D. So this would be my door. So go for the door, copy it, select it, go for copy command CO. This would be my door and this would be also my door. So I'm not keeping here window because it will be appear in my plans, right? So that's why. And this is my water closes, right? So for any kind of building plan, water close is also most important. Like if you want to wash your hands like that, for that purpose we need to do this. So my plan has almost been completed, right? So this is my line diagram. So according to line diagram we need to go further for this plan. So here how it is it isn't it looks cool? So after that you need to go for your dimensions. So here this is dimension, click it here. Now go for this end point to this end point, you can see how much it is. Now again repetition of it, go for space bar here to here. You can see in the same way you need to do for all of the dimensions checking. So again how much space I have been left with it, you can see it up to here, right? This is the way to do this. So now here up to these two, this suppose, so actually this is 45, right? So go for line command, sorry not line, dimensions from here to here, this is 45. So it is almost 45 and now it comes like this. You can edit it. So how you do edit? So go for 45 feet. See, isn't it looks cool? So like this way of doing any kind of building plans you may get, and you may do like this. So this will really motivates you for any kind of building plans and in a very easiest way, right? So I hope you all have loved this tutorial, and if you really love this tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel. And for learning AutoCAD tutorials, please watch this and press the bell icon for getting more updates and tuned with us. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial.